we would like to quickly introduce our new UDL750MB stud. It operates by sliding the base onto the stud. Then, after placing the stud through a pilot hole of the panel you wish to punch, you can slide the punch onto the shaft. Next, install the flange nut. What makes the new UDL750MB stud unique is how it is compatible with Milwaukee's 3/4 16-inch threaded ball head that comes with any of their 6-ton or 10-ton Milwaukee Force Logic knockout tool kits. After threading Milwaukee's ball head adapter onto our UDL750MB stud, you can now use Milwaukee's knockout tool with our die assembly. For today's demonstration, we will actually be introducing another new product, our uDK 1000MB pull stud. We will also be using the Milwaukee Force Logic 10-ton knockout tool for the demonstration. The uDK 1000MB pull stud is a 1-inch stud intended to be used with our uDK die sets. We have machined the stud to already have the ball end that Milwaukee uses for their knockout tools, making the uDK 1000MB pull stud compatible with Milwaukee's Force Logic knockout tools. To assemble, slide the base of your die set onto the stud. Next, insert the shaft of the puller through the pilot hole in the panel you wish to punch and slide the punch onto the puller shaft. Then, install the flange nut finger tight. Then, all you have to do is connect your Milwaukee Force Logic knockout tool to the ball end of our uDK 1000MB pull stud, and you are ready to punch. For operation with Milwaukee Force Logic 10-ton knockout tool with our uDK 1000MB pull stud. Step 1. Determine the desired instrument opening location and drill a single pilot hole slightly larger than the diameter of your pull stud at the center of the punch site. Step 2. Lightly lubricate the uDK 1000MB pull stud with any grade of motor oil. Then slide the base of your die set onto the stud. Step 3. Insert the shaft of the puller through the pilot hole and slide the punch onto the puller shaft. Install the flange nut finger tight. Step 4. Orient the flats of the punch to the desired position on the panel. Step 5. Connect the Milwaukee Force Logic tool to the ball adapter of your pull stud, making sure they are fully seated into each other. Warning: do not overdrive the pump. Injury or damage may result. Step 6. While maintaining the position of the D-set determined in Step 4, operate the pump until the punch has been completed. Note: make sure you hold the cylinder and die assembly, as it will free itself from the panel as the punching operation is completed. Step 7. Disassemble in reverse order and pry or shake out the knockout slug.